To make a cake that's moist, consider the following key techniques and ingredient choices. Use buttermilk or sour cream. Substitute regular milk with buttermilk or add sour cream to your batter. Both ingredients help break down gluten, resulting in a tender and moist texture. Incorporate vegetable oil. Instead of using butter, which can solidify and lead to a drier cake, use vegetable oil. Oil remains liquid at room temperature, helping to keep the cake moist. Add instant pudding mix. Including instant pudding mix in your batter can help retain moisture, providing a soft and fluffy crumb. Monitor baking time and temperature. Bake at a slightly lower temperature, around 300 to 325 degrees F, and start checking for doneness a few minutes before the recommended time. This helps prevent overbaking, which can dry out the cake. Mixing method. Avoid overmixing your batter, as this can lead to a denser cake. Mix just until the dry ingredients are incorporated. Use a simple syrup. After baking, you can brush the cake with a simple syrup, equal parts sugar and water, to add extra moisture. By applying these methods, you can achieve a deliciously moist cake that will impress your guests.